In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a free Google Workspace account. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and go to workspace.google.com. On the homepage, click the button that says Get Started. You'll find it near the top right corner of the page. Next, you'll be asked to enter some details about your business, such as your business name, number of employees, and your country. Fill these out and click Next. Now, type your name and your current email address so Google can contact you if needed. Then, click Next again. At this point, you'll see options for setting up your domain. You can either use a domain you already own or get a free temporary domain from Google to test out Workspace. Choose the option that works for you. Then, click Next. After that, once you've created your login details, you'll be taken into the free trial version of Google Workspace. You'll have access to Gmail, Drive, Docs, Calendar, and all the collaboration tools. Important note: Google Workspace is free for the first 14 days as a trial. After that, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan if you want to keep using it. And that's it. That's how you open a free Google Workspace account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.